Hello everyone, it is I, Phantom Knight. I'm back with Law of Fires. If you remember the last video, our game was not saved due to starvation. In this video, we will begin the killing process.
Have to be really careful.
Not to die.
I think that with being hungry, pass out.
Like that.
I could always do. I could always go back to chimney.
I don't mind what path we take, as long as we're getting food.
Always go back to chimney. Get the popcorn.
Yeah, I think we should just go back to Chimley to get that,
And then
and hibernate if possible.
we won't.
Wait, we're not able to go back?
We can go back, but getting the thing.
Won't be impossible.
Yeah, because we need 10.
Often. At least the popcorn plant will give us a good start.
Could always just.
I question how one hunger bar can make so much of a difference. Like, we only missed one piece of food. Why do we need 10 all of a sudden to make up for that? That doesn't really seem fair to me. Yeah, he's lucky. Wait, is he gonna jump? Uh-oh. Cyan lizard.
Go rocket, go rocket. Run. Those spears. You got tired. Right. The chimney can.
There you go.
Right. We're gonna just like.
Okay, sorry about all that. Had to do a little off-screen grinding. Okay, we should be in familiar enough area where I don't really need to worry.
Just the creatures you must be familiar with here.
Yeah, the area is familiar, creatures not.
I think there are like 2 dropwings here now.
It shouldn't be too hard, still.
Like the number of yellow lizards were swapped with the number of cyan lizards.
So,
Wall jump. Hold
I keep forgetting how much I hate wall jumping.
I know you're not very look at.
Nor very enthusiastic about it. did. Any enemies here?
I'm gonna go up here. You go the other way.
Okay. See anything?
Yep.
Drop
All right.
it.
Do we go for it?
Is that a drop plug?
Right there.
I think I can kill it. Never mind. Wait, vulture.
Go down. We'll head this way.
Wait, do vultures spawn up here?
Yeah.
Oh, this must be my first time seeing a vulture up here.
Where are you going?
Oh, there he goes. And there's there.
Hold up, before it spots us.
Oh my.
Dude, this is why cyan lizards are this silly. Alright.
As you don't know what they're bound to do next.
Yeah, there's another drop within this room. We don't need to worry about it because we're at full food.
Okay. Just go for here.
Yeah, be careful. There are more cyan lizards
I don't see any.
up in this room. Yeah, I heard.
Oh crap, he's coming for me. Help me! Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
I
Oh my.
think I shit myself.
Dude, he barely was alive. I mean, I knew he was dead, but he lived a little bit longer. Right, this way. Wait,
Run,
hold
run.
up. We're gonna die if we go.
Why?
Never mind.
Speed! Wait, did we get it?
You're alive.
I swear, that keeps scaring the shit out of me.
Alright, let's go.
I swear I'm gonna have a heart attack in this game.
Yeah, this thing might kill you.
Why?
This campaign might kill you of jump scares.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Even I got jump scared once.
Reminds me of that one Mr. Beast meme where Mr. Beast jump scares you.
Want me to carry you?
Sure. Just fuck.
Ears locked. Maybe hurry.
We need to get the fuck going.
We're gonna go down.
There's nothing here.
That almost looks like a blue lizard, but I can't. I don't think it is.
Yeah, because I don't see it moving.
You see this right here?
Yeah. Why? Is that a new enemy?
It is a. I don't know if you see one.
What?
Live broadcast, private. 7 red suns. No significant harassment.
Wait, is that a new character? No, it's a
2 iterators. 2 different.
So we've encountered about like 4 now.
It's pretty clear to me who you're talking about, though. Though I won't say who, out of respect. Talking
Wait,
about
don't
5 pebbles.
Yeah, wait, aren't they talking about? Didn't they already talk about him?
Please don't mock me. This is serious. The fact is, he really looked up to me as much as I gave him a hard time. That's not something I took lightly.
Is it about to rain?
I don't know. You're not the only one worried about him. I understand your position, but blaming yourself isn't productive. They're talking about, like, things, the Five Pebbles situation.
So, like the collapse of his chamber and all that?
The reason why the rot even formed.
Was it possible to even completely kill the rot? Or is that just some pipe fantasy?
I understand that. I truly do. At this point, we need to be taking action. I agree, but unfortunately, there's not much that we can do being locked up in a box. Even less, so that he's cut off all communication and is rejecting all help from the outside world.
Is he. Okay, so this just tells us that Five Pebbles is stupid.
Five Pebbles just doesn't want
Admit that he's wrong.
it. He's just mad. I don't know if that may not be an issue necessarily. I've already set a certain plan in motion, which is us.
So they're having us deal with Five Pebbles and fixing his messes. Right?
We need to go.
I guess it's bound to rain soon.
Yeah. Sure, get to a spot where it doesn't rain. Oh my, we probably won't be able to do it.
Should we go back to the last hibernation?
Probably won't be able to make it anyway. Oh my, I went the wrong way. Probably best if we do that anyway. Now, I'm gonna speed run.
Okay, so just.
That was just a short cycle for never never thought that. No idea why it rained. Spears.
Okay, so just stay on your back. It probably doesn't throw me off. Quite funny how I can just do all of your spears now. Yes.
But I'm holding
I'm over here like, nope, I'm limiting your spear usage.
it. It makes sense why we couldn't go up. Because whenever the whole thing was shaking.
It could have been that powerful to shake the entire building. Yeah, we could probably best build this way to avoid that drop quick.
Although it's tempting, because the racing is supposed to.
I wonder if the drop wicks can carry around items to bait a person.
The whole point of like droplets don't drop stuff.
Entice you. think we got a corpse there. We almost died.
Cyan Lizard, please leave.
Careful, he's in there. He did. Oh crap. Oh crap. Fuck, I'm dead.
Me jumping in the process. I'm probably dead. So, yeah, that is probably.
So just jump.
Yeah.
Bet.
I hope.
That would have been funny if it's like, no, you're not dying yet.
But they had to be like,
I gotta make sure you hit a few poles on the way down.
make sure you hit the
I got the Huggy Wuggy treatment from Poppy Playtime Chapter 1. Gotta make sure he hits a few pipes on the way down to make it more brutal. In my case, it's a few poles and pipes. Speaking of Poppy Playtime, I'm thinking about playing it someday for this channel. Ugh. So, I'll probably discuss my ideas of how to go along with Poppy Playtime with you in secret. So that it just gives subtle hints to the audience down the road. If not, just make a poll for whoever wants me to play Poppy Playtime like Chapter 1. If not, possibly all 5 existing chapters currently. Yes.
It's like one of the 3 places.
And basically where we could just ignore them. 3. It looks like they're fighting each other.
There's a lot.
Wait, nope. That's because I'm trying not to die.
This is one of the few campaigns where scavengers
Spawn up here.
yeah. He looks
I think one well-timed spear can kill him. He looks defenseless. Okay, he must have ultra instincts or something.
get some spirit. Oh,
You almost hit me.
no.
Oh, wrong way. What the actual fuck is he doing? Is he dying or something?
Probably.
Yeah, I think he's dead now. Okay, we have enough food for next karma games.
That jump is a lot less scary.
Because you have like a lot more experience in the game.
This is less.
Where do we go from here? Oh, right. I don't know how I keep forgetting.
Well, that's if you want to go to Underhand. You remember an artifice. That's
No, I refuse to go back there.
the only time we will be somewhere similar is later.
We are not going there right now. We already got enough problems as is going to meet 5 levels. Anyway, whose pearls could be ripped out? Me or yours? Like, there's 2 of us.
Oh, that was White Lizard. Alright.
Well, white lizards chasing us? No, I'm curious. Who will win in a fight? A white lizard or a black lizard?
White Lizard. Black Lizards are blind.
Yeah, but I feel like their hearing could give them an edge of where the white lizard could be.
It'll be a good fight, but White Lizards definitely have the
Okay, all mimics. Now all of them.
There'll be one higher up. That'll be after the.
Oh fuck.
I blocked them from going.
Wait, would it be considered taming a white lizard since we killed him and let him have it?
We didn't grab the corpse and throw it at him.
Oh, so you have to throw it at them, not let them have it in their mouth.
It might be fine. That white.
As long as that white lizard doesn't come back.
Seems like that white lizard.
I don't really think he can pull spear out on us. Okay, should I do an execution just in case?
Once we get up here.
Yeah, so that way we can have all
Alright,
5
jump. Let's do it in here.
that's one. I was about to try to steal one of your spears real quick.
You'll have to use your spear.
Why?
Never mind.
I don't need my spears when I can take one of yours and stab you with it.
Close proximity. And it works.
Okay, these are all of our kills. Well, I think we're probably.
No, we're fine.
We still gotta get to the next karma gate.
We're fine. We don't have to worry about much.
Yeah, I don't think I can carry this up.
There's one thing I want to do before. Yeah, you kill. Throw another spear.
Half dead.
Headshots insta kill. Run back, retreat, retreat.
Oh, did I damage it? You're dead.
Most likely. I threw 100 spears in it.
Okay, let's clear that. You know, it's the funniest part of this whole thing. Is the fact that you just have to throw 1,000 spears, which you have an endless supply of. Loser.
Did you hear one?
No. What's happened to me?
But
Yeah.
you see this pole? This new pole that's here?
Yeah.
That's the pole to make.
Right there.
Those spears.
Impressed?
You did something hard.
Wait, I did wait, what did I do that was hard?
You climbed onto two like in or like I don't know what it is. Like it's like a thing you jumped onto and you did it another one.
So you're saying I did something extremely difficult in this game first try. Hold up.
Do you want to go for the echo or do you want to do it after 5 pebbles?
After 5 pebbles. Oh fuck.
Wow, you didn't fall all the way down. I'm going
Yeah, that's why I'm trying. There we go. That's why I was putting down his pink spear.
That's
What?
it's really high up. Oh, it lagged.
It lagged when I was going up. That's stupid.
You wanna carry me?
Sure.
It's a different meaning.
That's still the same to me.
Alright. This is your. Oh wait, I was about to say you need to be careful. There might be scavengers here.
I think I can take them.
Or it might be where they will appear if you come back.
I think I can take them. I still think I can take them.
Yeah. I mean, you did kill two earlier. You did like headshot two things.
That's why I'm confident. I can take out a bunch of global scavengers.
But yeah, you know this overseer?
The red?
Yeah, the red one. It's probably not gonna make it out alive.
Why?
Once we after 5 pebbles. You'll know. You'll see.
How funny would it be if I throw well, I'm going to play what perfect. As far as it's close at 5 pebbles. save that for another video. Alright, Pebbles, to see what his reactions will be. We throw a corpse at him. Wait, does Spearmaster take place before or after Rivulet?
Before the first, he's the first. First
Wait.
out of all of them. Do not grab it yet. Well, actually, it won't let you because you're at max. But, yes, since we're here now, we're going to end the video off.
And I kind of hope to see everyone next time. So, bye.